Okay, welcome to part 3, and today we're going to get started by routing out the neck pocket. And what we're working with is a bolt-on style neck with a flat heel, and this is going to be a flat neck pocket route. And we're working with a 2-pneumatic bridge, and these sit high, but we're going to create a little bit of a channel for that 2-pneumatic bridge to sit in to accommodate for that flat neck mount. And let's get started. All right, the neck pocket route is all done, and it came out not so bad. All these little spots in here just get cleaned up with a chisel and a file, but it's all within 1 millimeter of the line, so it'll be nice and easy to clean up. And now we're just going to hit this with the bandsaw, and we'll have a neck pocket. Alright, so after a few minutes of cleanup with a chisel and a file, test fit it, and it fits not so bad. kind of see here, there's a little bit of a gap. We might have to finesse a little bit as we get closer to completion. That edge right there is going to get taken off when we do the bevel. We're going to do a 45-degree bevel all around here. So that little weird bit where it meets up is all going to go away. And the rest of the joint came out pretty good. I'm just kind of holding it on there, so it'll look a lot nicer once there's glue on it, and it'll get sanded down. So that's that neck pocket. Next up, we're going to clean up some of the outer edge. So if you remember when we were cutting out the outline, we had to drill some holes so that we could get the jigsaw bit in here to make this cut. And the jigsaw bit, sometimes if you're using a thicker blade, when you're making sharp turns, the blade tends to kind of kick out a little bit like that. So you get these sort of sloped edges on here. So we want to make these nice and parallel. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the router bit with the bearing on top, and we're just going to carve away the top part. I just kind of went through here with the sander and made sure that I had the edge correct. And then you just take that router bit and you just walk it through here, and it'll take all these edges off. And then we'll flip it over, and we'll use a different router bit. And here's that edge cleaned up. We just used 2 flush trim bits, one with the bearing on the bottom, and then the other bit has the bearing on the top. And we just kind of walked that around the edge, and you can see it here. That takes care of that flaring problem that we had as a result of using the jigsaw. And then we'll just go back with a sander and kind of clean things up.